Hi, my name is Tan Dung Hoang and my student ID is s4081498 and here is my student ID. And now I'm going to demonstrate question 4, how to do the documenting each step for proactive threat hunting. And now I'm going to share my Kali Linux virtual machine. So here is my Kali Linux virtual machine. So the first thing is verify the system is properly set up for threat hunting, ensure that both Suricata and JQ2 are installed and functional. Here I update the Kali Linux to the latest version and then using sudo apt update. Then I install the JQ2 by using the command sudo apt install JQ. And then I check the JQ version to make sure it's successfully installed, which is JQ version 1.7 here. Next, I check the Suricata version by using the command line suricata // version. So it's successfully give me the version here is 7.0.10. And after that, I'll download the Q4 slash E .json file to do the second task is analyze the event log file to identify and categorize the alert generated, which I use the command line jq/r select event type equal alert alert signature Q4 slash if JSON, and I sort it uh, as the result below. So here's the results for the second task. And in my report, I say that I discover four hypotheses. I make four hypotheses, and here's how I do the command for the hypothesis. My four hypothesis is database recognizes. The second one is SSH brute force of recognizes. The third hypothesis is VNC remote desktop scanning. The fourth one is malicious IP reputation. So for the first hypothesis, I run the command JQ event type alert, select alert, signature test suspicious inbound to MSSQL port 1433 Q if does JSON extract the information into a file called mssql.json. And also for the MySQL port 3306, and also for the Postgres SQL port 5432 to Postgres JSON, and Oracle SQL port 15212 to oracle.json. Next, I will extract the IP, the source IP of each JSON file. I just extract it. And then after my source extract the source IP, then I will extract the destination IP here for each of four files and then I use that to do my hypothesis 1. For the hypothesis 2, which is SSH brute force of reconnaissance, I also do it like the first hypothesis, which is extract the SSH signature into a SSH.json, and then I extract the source IP, the destination IP, and the timestamp IP. And I also do the same for the third hypothesis and the fourth hypothesis. And here is what I get from the result. And here's the result I get. And then based on this result, I will come to the conclusion in my report. And And that is my demonstration for question 4. Thank you for listening.